Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Xcover 4S and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Firstly, swipe out the screen and open calendar application. You can search it. Calendar. We open it and tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 28th of May, and there this plus icon. First we can add title of our event, there we can change color which we get notification about that in our calendar. And in this part we can set when event starts and finish at which time, or we can set it will be all day by tap on it. Location of our event, if we need it, we can add this event to our group on Gmail. We can get notification maybe day before at 5 p.m. or we can set another notification repeat of that, maybe every week, don't repeat, what you prefer. Notes to that, and we can invite some people to our event. You mustn't add everything. After you set all you need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.